Travel videos. They are like the postcards from the world. They are the perfect way to share your adventures and inspire others to explore new places. But how do you write a script that captures the essence of your journey? That is what I will share with you right now. Okay, imagine you are standing on a beach with crystal clear powder white sand on your toes, looking out at a breathtaking view. The wind is in your hair, the sun is on your skin, and you feel alive. That is the feeling that you want to capture in your travel video script. But how do you translate that feeling into words on a page that you would eventually use in your travel videos? How do you write a script that not only tells your journey but also captures the emotions and experiences that made it so memorable? In this video, I'll be sharing with you my top tips for writing a travel video script that will transport your viewers from places you've been to adventures that you've had. From crafting a compelling narrative to using sensory language, I'll show you how to write a script that will make your audience feel like they are right there with you. So whether you are a seasoned travel videographer or just starting out, grab your pen and notebook and let's dive into the world of travel video scripting. I usually have a 3-step process, okay? Explore, write, and edit. First, we have to explore. When you visit a new place, try to capture everything on video. Coverage is key. Shoot detailed shots. Record how you feel about certain spots or share valuable information that your viewers need to know by putting yourself on camera and vlog away. If you see something that interests you, grab your phone, start filming. Once you are done shooting, it's time to write. While many travel videos feature beautiful transitions and great music, they often lack a compelling story. To make your video truly stand out, write your own story and use voiceovers to tell it. Before you start writing, organize your files and separate your spills or talking head shots from your B-roll. Review them and create a simple structure on your editing timeline software. Think about your opening, your body, and end. This organizing step is key on how you would write your travel videos because the next step is to turn your sights into insights. This is now the writing process, okay? Reflect on what you have learned during your trip and make sense of the videos that you shot. What did this travel experience mean to you? Write it down. Write down your thoughts in simple sentences. Remember, you are writing for a visual medium, so avoid using complicated words. Instead, describe your experience in detail. Don't just show places you visited. Tell a story that connects them. For example, if you are traveling through Taiwan, you could write a script that tells a story of a backpacker's journey from Taipei to Yangmingshan, highlighting the sights and sound and experiences along the way. Travel is all about experiencing new things. So make sure your script includes descriptive language that appeal to all the senses. For example, instead of saying the beach was beautiful, okay, describe the warm sun on your skin, the sound of the waves crashing against the shore, and the salty smell of the sea. One of the best things about travel is experiencing different cultures. Use your script to highlight unique customs, traditions, and people that makes each place special. For example, you're in Thailand. You could write a script that explores about the country's rich history or Buddhist traditions. Travel can be full of unexpected moments and mishaps. Don't be afraid to include some humor in your script to lighten the mood and make your video more relatable. For example, if you got lost on your way to a famous landmark, include a funny anecdote about how you eventually found your way. Attention spans are short, okay? So make sure that your script is concise and to the point. Focus on the most interesting and unique aspects of your trip and leave out anything that doesn't add to the story. Once you've written everything down, it's time to edit. Review your script and make necessary changes. Okay, I'll quote this from one of my favorite movies, Finding Forrester. You write with your heart and you edit with your mind. With these tips in mind, You'll be well on your way to creating a travel video script that tells a story and captivates your audience. Now, how do you develop your story? I suggest that you watch these videos right here and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that we can all learn, create, and share. Peace out.